Hello students, good morning. This is your social study class now. Students, today we are going to do the revision work on short type question answer. Okay, you have to write the answer in one sentence only in the text box that is given that will be given in the question paper. Okay. So the instruction is given. The instruction is answer the following questions in one sentence. You have to concise the answer and write in one sentence only. To the point answer we require. Okay. Question number 1. I am giving some sample questions and answer. You will follow how I am writing the answers. Follow the answers. The answer should be to the point. 1. What was the food of early men? Answer. Early men ate fruits, berries, roots and flesh of animals. This much. Number 2. Why did early men have a difficult life? There are so many reasons, but you have to write only one reason. Give one reason. Okay? The answer is early men had to protect himself from fierce wild animal. Or you can write early men had to move from place to place in search of food and shelter. So students, I have given you 2 points. From this you have to write only one. Right? Then question 3. What did early men do for recreation? How you will write the answer in one sentence? Early men started to sing, dance and draw on the cave walls for recreation. This much only. Understand? Then question number 4. Name some animals that the early men kept. The early men kept cows, buffaloes, goats, and then dogs and horses as domestic animals. In one sentence you have to write. I am repeating the answer. The early men kept cows, buffaloes, goats, dogs and horses as domestic animals. Right? Number 5. Question number 5. How was fire helpful to early men? Give one reason. There are so many reasons. So many reasons are there. But how many reasons you have to write? No, only one reason you have to write. Give one reason. Okay? Answer. Observe how I am writing the answer in one sentence. Fire kept early men warm and kept the wild animal away. Okay? Or you can write early men cooked food in fire. Or you can write like this. Early men was useful, fire was useful to keep the cave home bright during night time. I am repeating, fire was useful to keep the cave home bright during night time. I have given 3 points. Any one you will write. Now number 6. Why was early man a wanderer for a long time? I have given, this is short type question answer. I have given in 2 or 3 sentences, but you have to concise it, write in brief only in one sentence. How you will write then? Listen. Answer. Early men did not know how to grow food. To the point answer. Right? The answer will be early men did not know how to grow food. This much. So students, you will revise and you should know how to write the answer in one sentence, and you will practice this, learn this, memorize this, and write in your revision notebook. Okay, the class ends here. Goodbye.